why you understand and can't speak it. You understand English. You can read it. You can listen to it. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. This is very common. You are not alone. And you are not bad at English. The problem is not your level. The problem is how you practice. Most learners only receive English. They listen, they read, they watch, but speaking is a muscle, and muscles need practice. Another big reason is fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of sounding wrong, fear of being judged. So the brain chooses silence, but listen carefully. Fluency is not speaking perfectly. Fluency is speaking without stopping your thoughts. You don't need more grammar. You need safe speaking practice. Start small. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Use simple sentences. Say them out loud. Every day. 1 minute a day is better than 0. And remember this. Every fluent speaker you admire was once a beginner. They were scared too. So don't wait until you feel ready. Speak first. Confidence will come later. If you want to speak English more easily and more confidently, subscribe to the channel and check the playlists. Everything here is made to help you learn English without stress.